Hello. So in the previous video we had finished build our project. We clean and build, then we run on our devices. So as I said, I'll be showing you the output of our project on my phone. So I ran the application and it's looking good. So hope you did on your other side. Whether you are using an emulator or whether you're using your actual phone is okay, but I'll be showing you how it was look like our final project. So let's start by the application. This is how it will look on application. So this is the application that we built, the member login. This was the previous for Hello World. So this is our application installed on our phone. So when you click or we open that application, it will take you to this, it will open this page or this activity page. So this is our design. As you can see, it's looking good. All our input field are okay, our checkbox is okay, and other things. So I tried to take a screenshot that contained some data. So I have this one, member login, with the same taking some data. As you can see, the font size of our data is okay, the color is black, and password it's invisible. You can't see what the user type. It's simply represented by dot. So this is the beautiful thing of using the input type. Here we specify the input type as text. Here we specify the input type as text password, meaning it will take a text as, it will take password, both text and numbers, but it will not be visible to the user. And then the next thing, I take a screenshot with our checkbox being checked. As you can see, okay, it's looking good, fine. Also this one is looking perfect. And again, we can change this background to match our color. You simply need to add this, the same background here. You can add it here, so that's not an issue. And the last thing we need to do, the last thing I did was taking now the landscape part of it. So this is the same design, but at this point you can see this application is, my phone is on landscape. So I simply rotate my phone to see how this design will look when our phone is on a landscape design. So you can see it's not looking good at all. This is because our orientation, we didn't design our XML to be displayed on our landscape screens. We just design it for a portrait. That's why you see these components, they are not visible, they are missing, and other things. So in this video we'll be building the landscape XML file for our design, so that if a user, in case a user open the application in landscape, it will have that landscape XML file to display to the user. If user open an orientation with a portrait, it will have the same portrait. So this is the portrait. So if user open this application, you will see this design. But if you try to rotate the screen to a landscape mode, you will see this design, which is not looking good at all. So in this video we'll be focusing on how we can design this, our landscape. So for portrait, for landscape orientation, so we'll simply need to do the similar thing we did here, but most of the things, most of the codes and other things will be reusable. Like we'll use the same code, but we'll try to adjust so that this layout can fit and it will look good. So for this video I want to make it short as possible, so we'll just need to create a new XML or a new XML file. So we'll do just by simply come to our layout. So simply come to our layout. It's located within the resource. Then within the resource we have this layout here, and within this layout here you can simply open it. And let me just delete this. We don't need to have these two the same thing here. Okay, it's no delete option, but it's okay, it's fine, it's generated, auto generated. But let's go ahead and do this, what I was suggesting. So right click here on your layout, create new, and create a layout resource file. So we'll create an XML file with similar name, so that whenever user open our application using a landscape mode, it will have that screen or that layout to display to the user. If the user open an application with the portrait, it will have, so the name should be similar, so using the same name, activity. So make sure the name match, they are all the same, so activity underscore main. And next thing we need to do, we need to choose the orientation. So orientation for this design, so orientation for this design should be something. So let me look for orientation. This is orientation, and you click this to add it to this panel. Then you select from portrait, now you select to landscape. Once that is okay, confirm the name is okay, they are both with the same name, then click on OK. And now we have this landscape. You can see we have generated a landscape design. So from now we'll be building a landscape design for our login, or for our member login. So it will be designed so that if a user by any chance open this application on a landscape mode, there will be screen to be displayed to the user. So there will be a screen that is well designed to be showed to the user. So we will pick it from here, we'll change the constraint and other things. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video. So remember to subscribe, share, comment. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.